Hi everybody, my name is Mike and we're here at Veloci today. Let's go check out what we do. All right, we made it inside, and in here we have Brandon with orders, Casey with sales, brand new garage heat line straight off the boat from Italy, 2018. Brand new media room, ready for videos and troubleshooting. Technical and procurement with Eric. Here at Veloci, we have over 2,300 unique SKUs, parts and pieces. Everything from pump kits to keep your pump running, nozzles, just the right size for your pressure washer, stainless steel fittings, brass fittings, plated fittings, garden hose fittings, stainless garden hose fittings, spray guns, foam cannons, lances. Whatever you need, we got you covered. And every order is custom packaged. Man, have you seen the sales numbers? This is crazy.
Dude, it's incredible, man. It's been a great summer.
Oh my gosh. I gotta get back to this.
All right, man. Well,
Cheers.
Cheers, man.
Moving along, we have marketing, sales, accounting, also accounting, and the president's office.
Hey, thanks for joining us at Veloci.
Home of the best cleaning products in the world.
See you next time.
You were supposed to say.
That was my line.
Why'd you do that?
Sorry.
Useless.